How to fix Windows Update error code 0x800705b4. Hello everybody, if you're getting this kind of error code on your desktop while you're trying to update your Windows, you may follow up this process in order to fix it. So first thing first, you can head over to your Windows screen and you can go ahead and right click on your Windows screen. After that, go ahead and create a new document. So create new, click on it and head over to text document and create up a new text document. Now what you can do is simply double click on this text document right here in order to open it up. And once you open it up, you can just go ahead and copy and paste this code right here. I will just leave it in the description so you can check it out from there. And you can also copy and paste this code right here. So once you've copied and pasted the code right here, you can just go ahead and click on File and save this as on your files as an bat file. So go ahead and for example on desktop, and you can type in WR or any file name and you should be saving it on .file extension. After that, go ahead and save type as. You can drop it down and select all files and then go ahead and simply click on save and save it up, and you can close this up. So once it is saved, you will be finding it on your desktop screen right here in this section. So what you can do is simply right click on it, the document that we just created, and then just go ahead and run it as administrator. And once it is run it as administrator, you can press any key to continue and it will start the process. And once that is done, you can just go ahead and restart your computer for once, and that should probably help you fix your error. And that's it. So that is it for now. You may follow up the same process in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.